Welcome. Today we are looking at Physics Paper 1, Section A, 25 marks. The micrometer screw gauge in the figure below gives the reading of the diameter of a piece of a wire. Given that the length of the wire whose diameter was read by using the figure below is 4 centimeters, determine the volume of the wire. And that is how you determine the volume of the wire. Question 2. The figure below shows two masses placed on light pistons. The pistons are held stationary by water of density. Determine the weight. That is how you determine the weight. Question 3. The following figure shows the velocity time graph for journey of a car in 100 minutes. Determine the acceleration of the car between A and B and between C and D. That is how you determine the acceleration. Question 3.2. Determine the distance covered by the car during the journey. So this is how you determine, that is the area under the curve. Question 4. The result of an experiment to investigate how the total length of a spring varies with the load on the end of the spring is as shown in the graph below. Assume Hooke's law is obeyed. Calculate the energy increase stored by the spring when the load is increased. So that is how you calculate the energy increase. Question 5. State two constant forces that act on a body falling through a fluid. Weight and up thrust. Question 6. A fixed mass of gas is enclosed in a vessel. Explain in terms of molecular theory how the pressure measured at the wall of the vessel is produced by the gas molecules. The particles of the gas are in constant collision with the wall of the container. The total number of collisions per unit time is proportional to the rate of change of momentum per unit area. Remember the pressure of the gas. Question 7. A uniform narrow bore tube closed at one end contains dry air which is sealed by a thread of mercury. The tube is held in the following two positions as shown in the diagram below. Calculate the atmospheric pressure. This is how you calculate the atmospheric pressure. Question 8. Explain the cause of random motion of smoke particles as observed in Brownian motion experiment using a smoke cell. Bombardment of smoke particles by the invisible particles of air. Question 9. The figure below shows a uniform bar of length pivoted near one end. The bar is kept in equilibrium by a spring balance as shown. Given that the reading of the spring balance, determine the reaction of force at the pivot. Let the force supported by knife edge be R and the weight be W. This is how you determine the reaction of the force at pivot. Question 10. State the reason why it is colder during the night when the sky is clear than when it's cloudy. The cloud cover acts as insulator, preventing heat from escaping to the space. Question 11. In terms of intermolecular distances, explain anomalous expansion of water. The intermolecular distance decreases as the temperature increases. Question 12. A resultant force F acts on a body of mass m, causing an acceleration of on the body. When the same force acts on a body of mass, it causes an acceleration of, express in terms of, that is how you express it. Question 13. Figure shows a pith ball being lifted into a funnel end of a blower. Explain this observation. The speed of air decreases downwards, causing a corresponding decrease in pressure upwards. The resulting force due to pressure difference will push the ball upwards. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also let me know what video I can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.